Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantel, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So hello my loves, today we are going to be doing a makeup kit for beginners. A lot of you had made a request on my Christmas giveaway video, makeup for beginners, and I thought why not show you a makeup kit for beginners. All the products that I'm going to be talking about today are on my face and everything is drugstore, which is great because I believe that when you're starting off in makeup, you really don't need to go out and spend a lot of money. You don't need to go out and buy a whole bunch of high-end makeup. Why not just stick to great products from the drugstore? So first I'm going to start off with foundation and concealer. So I just recently did a video on these two products. They are absolutely amazing. I really love them. And this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation along with the Full Wear Concealer. I did say in the video that this concealer actually is the same consistency as the Tarte Shape Tape, which is a very high-end concealer. It is $40 Canadian to get it shipped here. It's really expensive. So this here is an exact dupe for it. It's an amazing concealer. It definitely covers the under eye area, and it just gives you great coverage. Also with this foundation as well, these two products here I have on my face as well. And if you're looking for like a more kind of glowy, dewy finish, you could also go with the L'Oreal Pro Glow, Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I used to wear that foundation a long time ago, ran out of it. It's an amazing quality foundation, really gives your skin that beautiful glowy finish, and the coverage is amazing. But these two here are really great products. Also, Wet n Wild puts out a lot of amazing foundations, but this one here I truly love, and it's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Now in all my shades I am Porcelain because I am very pale, so if you are pale like me, these are the shades here for you. And this one here I actually compared to my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation. That is the kind of coverage you are going to get with this foundation, but it's so inexpensive. And this here also comes with this little tiny applicator, so you just kind of paint it on your face, as where this one here has a pump. But this foundation is really great, very inexpensive. You can pick this up at your local Walmart. Same with these foundation and concealer as well. I was about to get tongue-tied, but all around amazing quality. It definitely gives you that kind of photo focus finish look to your face, where it's like you're just ready to take a picture and your skin looks beautiful. But I did not use this today on my face, but I used these two products right here. So these are foundations that I say, you know what, go for it. Definitely put them in your beginner's kit because they are an amazing quality. And like I said, that really compares to my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation. And I ran out of that one, and I just keep on repurchasing this one because the coverage, the finish is just really great. Now for a setting powder. This one here, a lot of people rave about it, and I can honestly tell you why they rave about it, because it gives your skin such a beautiful finish. And this is the NYC and the Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder in Translucent. This here is beautiful. It's very finely milled and it's just like silk. It is literally like butter onto your face. I absolutely love it, and it just gives you a beautiful finish. Here it is here on my finger, and I'm telling you, I wish you guys could feel this right now on how soft and silky and smooth it is. It is by far one of the best loose powders that I've ever put on my face. I do have dry skin, and this here, it just makes my skin look beautiful. As you can tell today, I do have it set all over my face. It really sets your makeup in place, and it's just so smooth and soft. So if you're looking for a powder to add to your makeup kit, this here, definitely recommend if you could get your hands on it. And if it's not sold out, I did get this one here at my local Walmart, and it's just an all around great powder. Also, NYC puts out a lot of beautiful lipsticks as well, and eyeshadows. They have a very big range of products, so maybe there will be something else there that you could add to your kit that you'd really like, but I truly love the powder. Now for bronzer. So far everything I've talked about so far is on my face. So is this product right here, and it is by Wet n Wild. And this is the Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Caramel toffee. Wet n Wild put out amazing products. Really love their contour kits. They also have another one, so they do have two. The other one's a little tiny bit, I think it's darker, or is it lighter? I can't really remember, but anyhow, because I totally broke it. It shattered and I was devastated. But this one here I do have as my contour, and then I just set underneath my eyes today with this powder. This is beautiful. I gravitate towards this so much. It's a great little contour palette, and like I said, this one here is to set underneath your eyes, and they're really inexpensive. Wet n Wild just really knocks it out of the park with their contour palettes. Same with their eyeshadow palettes. They have really great quality products. So if you're looking for a contour palette and have like 2-in-1, definitely add this to your kit. It just gives the beautiful finish. I really truly love this. And sometimes I just take the contour shade and I pop it on my eyes when I just want to have a natural look, and it's just so beautiful on the eyes as well. And let's talk about highlighters. I don't have a whole lot of drugstore highlighters or even high-end highlighters, but this drugstore highlighter here I really truly love, and I love taking it and popping it into the inner corner of my eyes. It's just really gorgeous. And this is the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio, and it's the metallic highlighter, and this one here is in Milton Gold. This one here was raved about here on YouTube. Really beautiful highlighter, and it's just this gorgeous golden shade, as you can tell right here, and it's just so beautiful. It just goes onto the skin really gorgeous, really gives that beautiful highlight that you're looking for. So this highlight here is just an all-around gorgeous one. I definitely recommend for you to put this in your kit, and like I said, I do have it today on the inner corner of my eyes. So Nyx Cosmetics is one of my favorite drugstore brands out there. They put out a lot of great eyeshadow palettes, a lot of beautiful matte lipsticks, which I absolutely love. But they also put out foundations, and their blushes are amazing. And this blush here is the ombre blush, and it's in Mauve Me. I do have this on my face today as well, and it's just a gorgeous mauve tone blush. Now I will have to let you know that these blushes are really pigmented, so when you take your brush in, just dab in very slightly, and then go ahead and apply it to your face, and then if you want to build up that color, go in again and build it up. But when you first start off, to not go in heavy-handed, because it is super pigmented, and it just gives you the beautiful blush tone. Really love this one. Out of all the ombre ones, this one here is my favorite one by far. Like, this is my go-to of go-to blushes. I have a few high-end blushes and I really don't use them. This one here is the one I'm always reaching for. Great quality and really inexpensive as well. So now you want to keep your makeup in place. So what better way to set it with a setting spray? And this one here is by Milani, and it's the Make It Last setting spray. I absolutely love this setting spray. It is beautiful. It really sets your makeup in place. Not only that, I love it because when you spray it, it has this beautiful spritz on it. And also, I like to wet my makeup brushes, my eyeshadow brushes, before I dip into certain shimmery eyeshadows, and it really makes it pop. So really, you can use this like 2-in-1 to set your face and then to make your glittery eyeshadows pop. But this here is really great. Really love it. This here is now my second one that I'm on. So I really recommend this if you are looking for a great setting spray to just set your makeup in place, to make your makeup look finished and smooth. This here is a beautiful setting spray. Now next up is eyeshadow palettes, and for a beginner's makeup kit, I don't believe that you have to go out and spend so much money on a high-end eyeshadow palette, especially when you're just getting new into eyeshadow. And the drugstore puts out a lot of great palettes. So what I recommend is going into the drugstore, taking a look at all the eyeshadow palettes, kind of looking at the tones, what you're really into. But this one here is all on my eyes, and I absolutely love it, and it's the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. This palette here, it gives you like a variety of eyeshadow looks that you could do. I went with like a really fun one. I used the purple and the orange and this dark shade, and I went with this shade right here and this shade here, and it also has mattes and shimmers, so therefore it's giving you a variety. So you could find out if you do like matte eyeshadows, or if you like shimmer eyeshadows, if you like neutral tones, or if you like more of a bold look. So this palette here definitely gives you that variety. The quality is amazing. They really blend gorgeous. If you guys would actually like to see a tutorial on this palette, just let me know in the comments down below and I will definitely do that for you guys. But I just love how well it blends together. It's so much fun. Like I said, you could go for neutral, fun, matte, or shimmer, whatever your little heart desires. This palette is this is it. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette to add to your makeup kit. As well, if you want to kind of play around with more matte eyeshadows, the Maybelline Matte Bar palette is beautiful. I actually did a full video on this palette as well. I will link it right here for you guys to check it out. I did say that the quality of this palette definitely reminded me of the quality of the Kat Von D Lolita palette. So therefore, you know, you're getting really kind of a high-end quality palette, but not really paying that high-end price. And the matte shades are in here, really, really beautiful. And also you could just take the two of these palettes and really mix them up, really gorgeous. So for eyeliners, Hard Candy definitely puts out a lot of beautiful eyeliners. This one here is white, and I just put it in the lower waterline, and it's a shimmer, and it's the Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous, and it's Soft Glide Long Wear eyeliner. I really had to read that because it's super, super hard to read. But when I swatched this a while back in store, because I was looking for that kind of a, almost like a holographic kind of white liner with pink, when I swatched this in store, it did not come off my hand. So they do have a variety of colors that you could choose from. You could go for black, pink, blue, whatever your makeup heart desires, whatever look you really want to go for. But I definitely recommend getting a Hard Candy liner to add into your makeup bag. Now, where you're just new and beginning into makeup and you really don't want to apply lashes right away, you just kind of want to wait until you get a little bit good at it. To be quite honest, I'm still like a mess at applying lashes. It takes me a long time to apply them, but what I have on my lashes today gives you volume, and it makes your lashes look gorgeous and full and really, really thick. And there's 3 items that I'm going to be showing you. First off, you definitely need to get the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara Primer. This is definitely a game changer to the lashes. I absolutely love it. I do have small lashes, and I just go ahead and I apply this onto my lashes. Of course, it's white, and I let it kind of dry for a few little minutes, not like too long. And then I go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. This mascara is gorgeous. It definitely makes your lashes look full and thick, and it's super, super pigmented. The brush on this is absolutely amazing. Love it so much. I also like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara as well. That gives you really, really full volume. That mascara I actually compared to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And so therefore you are getting a mascara that's like high-end quality, but not the high-end price. And also this mascara right here, which is by Maybelline, and it's the Snapscara Mascara. That's a mouthful. Anyways, this wand here is like a little dip, and it fits perfectly underneath your lashes. So these are the 3 products that I'm actually wearing on my lashes today, because I thought to myself, you know what? For a beginner, you really don't need to go out and buy lashes right away. Why not find products that could give you full like volume to your lashes without the mess, really? These 3 products are really, really great. Definitely pick these up and put them in your kit. Now, with that being said, once you start getting more and more into makeup and then you want to experiment with lashes, Kiss definitely puts out amazing lashes. Really inexpensive for 2 of these packs. They were like $13 and change for 2 sets of lashes. These ones here are in the one's flirty, really pretty. Also the Duo Glue, which is a great lash glue as well. You could get like a little squeezy tube or a brush tip, and it just glides on, and then you just wait for a few seconds and then pop your lashes on. So once you're able to kind of get the technique and the hang of putting on lashes, definitely I recommend Kiss lashes. Now for lipstick. Like I said, that Nyx Cosmetics definitely puts out a lot of great matte lipsticks. Milani puts out great lipsticks. Elf Cosmetics also puts out great lipsticks. And Wet n Wild definitely puts out great lipsticks as well. This is what's on my lips today, and this one here is in Mauve Outta Here. I really love the lipsticks For a matte lipstick, they are super, super comfortable. They don't really dry a whole lot onto your lips. They are definitely like a very comfortable matte lipstick and super, super inexpensive, under $5 for these. And sometimes if you're lucky enough, when you go to Dollarama, if you do live here in Canada, almost dropped the lipstick, but if you do live here in Canada and if you go to Dollarama, sometimes you're lucky enough to pick these up for like $1, which is really, really great because the quality of these lipsticks are really beautiful. And I did top it off with a gloss. Now this gloss here is by Hard Candy and it's the Plumping Serum. Now this here is supposed to make your lips plump. There's really no tingling to this gloss. This gloss was under like $7, really inexpensive, super, super comfortable. So definitely changes up the look of the matte lipstick if you want to go for kind of a glossy look, but I do love these two together. Really, really great quality, super inexpensive, and they are truly one of the best matte lipsticks out there in the drugstore world. So now for makeup sponges. I do go to Winners and I purchase a lot of my makeup sponges from there when I don't really want to use a beauty blender because beauty blenders are so expensive. They do retail for $28 Canadian. So I do go to my local Winners and I pick up a whole bunch of beauty sponges. This one here I'm really, really liking. I only paid $3.99 for it. This is the brand new one. This is the one I'm currently using right now. So as you can see, it definitely does get big when you dampen your beauty sponge. I like to run it under cold water and then it just gets extremely big, and then I just take my foundation, apply it on, and it's so gorgeous. It applies the foundation really, really nice, but for $3.99, great quality. I'm saving a lot of money instead of going ahead and buying a beauty blender for $28, but Winners does carry a lot of beauty sponges, and I even seen ones there for like $2.99, and sometimes you could get a 2-pack for $7.99. So go ahead, go to your local Winners or even in Marshalls or TJ Maxx, because TJ Maxx is similar to Winners and Marshalls as well. So if you do live down in the States, definitely check out TJ Maxx, but you can get these and they're great quality. Really super inexpensive. Now for makeup brushes, a lot of mine are dirty, but I'm going to be popping them up and talking about them. Now Nyx Cosmetics, they put out amazing quality eye brushes. I really truly love Nyx Cosmetics. They're like one of my other favorite brands from the drugstore, but their brushes are beautiful. Love all their eye brushes. Love their contour brush. Their contour brush is one of my favorite go-to contour brushes. And if it wasn't in the bathroom right now, ready to be washed, I'd show it to you because it is a mess. And also I love their blush brushes as well. This one here, however, I will show you because it's not really fully dirty yet. And this here is the blending brush. Really like this, but I love taking this, putting a bit of concealer on my eyelid when I want to do a cut crease, and I just blend it out, and it blends it so perfectly. e.l.f. brushes, for the quality that you're getting, is amazing, and they're really super inexpensive. And you could go out and get the whole entire set. You could go from eye brushes to your contour to your blush to a powder brush, and you have it all in your kit. And like I said, very super inexpensive. I do have one of the eyeshadow brushes that I absolutely love, and it actually broke, and I'm devastated. I will show you here. I've had this brush for such a long time, and it's an eyeshadow brush, and it actually broke, and I only paid $1.99 for it. And I've had it for like years now, and it finally said this was it. This is the end of the life brush. So that's it right here. So you guys, these are all the products for a makeup kit for beginners. Never ever doubt the drugstore, because the drugstore definitely puts out a lot of great products, from foundation to concealer to eyeshadows to lipsticks to contour to blush to everything your little makeup heart desires. Let me know if you are new to makeup and if you're going to be adding any of these products that I mentioned today in your makeup kit. Let me know in those comments down below. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!